Hi there, my name is Harry from New Zealand. We are one of the kitchen manufacturing company in New Zealand. We are just coming to buy one of the CNC machine from Blue Elephant Company. I think I'm a very happy customer after the meeting with Tina. Firstly, I would like to really thank you for Tina's all the support to us to buy the machine. I'm really impressed with the customer service from day one to the end of the visit to the factory, and I'm really sure this is a good quality machine, and absolutely is the best one for us. I recently visited the factory and totally impressed the exceptional quality with the machine, and also the customer service is really good, and especially their technical support, they're really remarkable. So from my point of view, this is not only a factory, it's a benchmark for manufacturing excellence and true partnership. If you really would like to buy some woodworking equipment, I think Blue Elephant will be your first choice. Thank you.